Welcome back to Clarkstar Culinary. Today we're making candied yams. I have 3 yams. First I'm going to peel them. After peeling, I'm going to get a clean cloth and dampen it with water. I put the cloth down under the yam as I chop to prevent slipping. After chopping the yams, I put them over into a colander to wash them. Alright, now we're going to get the seasonings together for the yams. In a mixing bowl, we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix the ingredients together well. Add the clean chopped yams to the bowl. Toss them around in the seasonings until they're fully coated. In a baking dish that has a top, I'm going to line the yams in the dish. And I'm using the end pieces of the potato as props to make the round pieces sit up a little bit. Once the dish is full, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of water. Chop and add 1 tablespoon of butter. If there's any seasoning left over in the mixing bowl, pour that over the yams. Put the top on the dish, and you can use aluminum foil if your baking dish does not have a top. Put the yams in an oven that's been preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. After 1 hour, the candied yams are done. If you look closely, there's a delicious sweet syrup at the bottom of the dish, which you can take and glaze over the candied yams when you serve them. Thank you again for watching Clarkstar Culinary. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye-bye.